You want a fresh new take for your Shabbat fish and you want to transform any fish from blah to wow, then you are at the right place. In this video, I will share with you my favorite stuffed salmon roll recipe that is so delicious and easy to make. And of course, if you like this kind of content, all about simplifying yet leading a more meaningful Jewish life, please consider subscribing. So let's jump into it. The first thing you will need is some thin cooking twine. There are different brands out there, but just make sure it's 100% cotton. I will leave in the description box below my favorite one. You're going to take 2 pieces of thick fish, whether salmon, cod, tilapia, with the skin off. And you're going to put the thick edge of one next to the thin edge of the other. Now you're going to take your twine and you are going to gather them, making a loose knot. Then you're going to take another piece of twine and you're going to repeat the process another time, but you're going to make the knot a bit higher. That is going to make sure that the pieces of salmon will stay together. Repeat the process for all your pieces of fish. 1 imitation crab stuffed salmon will be good for 2 persons. Take your imitation crab sticks and cut them at the height of your salmon. You can also cut them thinner if you want. Then you're going to cut your vegetables. You can use carrots, bell peppers, whatever you want. Here I'm going to use green, red, yellow, and orange bell peppers. Cut your bell peppers a bit higher than the height of your piece of salmon. You know me by now, I love giving you value in every video. So here are 2 ways to cut your bell peppers. The first one is the ninja style. Chop, 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 chop. Albeit it is a super fast method, you will end up with pieces with different length. So when you want for your bell pepper pieces to be of equal length, cut the bottom of the bell pepper, then cut the top without cutting it through and through. Remove the top and it will come with the seeds. Remove all the inner white parts. And now you can cut your bell pepper and you will have perfectly equal pieces. Stuff your salmon roll starting with your veggies. Try to align the veggies as much as possible for maximum effect. Once that you've added your veggies, add your imitation crab sticks in the middle. You can add as little or as much crab as you want. It's time to spice your stuffed salmon roll with a mixture of 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 3 teaspoons of paprika, 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt, and of course adapt your seasoning depending on the number of pieces of stuffed salmon. Drizzle about 1/3 cup of neutral oil on top of your crab stuffed salmon pinwheel. Put your salmon in a cold oven, then set your oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit and bake it for 25 to 30 minutes until the top is lightly browned. When your stuffed salmon rolls are out of the oven, baste them right away with their cooking juice for them to stay nice and moist. And voila, you are ready to enjoy the most delicious stuffed salmon rolls that are perfect for Shabbat or any occasions. I hope that this video was useful for you. Please let me know in the comments below what veggies will you use in your stuffed salmon rolls. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel as it helps us reach more people who, just like you, wants to simplify yet lead a more meaningful Jewish life. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to frum it up.